Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In the last sessions, we had discussed CNF. That is, they are given a grammar. We have to convert the grammar into CNF. That is Chomsky normal form. Now, in this session, we will move to Greibach Normal Form, GNF. So, a grammar is said to be in GNF if it contains a non-terminal tends to terminal followed by any number of non-terminals. Got the meaning? So a non-terminal tends to a terminal followed by, that is compulsory, the RHS of the production must be a terminal followed by any number of non-terminals. Here any number means either 0 non-terminal or 1 non-terminal or 100 non-terminals, anything. This is GNF. For example, A tends to alpha. This production is in GNF. This production is in GNF. That is, alpha is a terminal. Suppose A tends to alpha, some B, C, D, E, F like this. This is also in GNF. Y starts with alpha. It contains only non-terminals. Okay. For example, A tends to alpha, beta. If alpha and beta both are terminals, then this is not in GNF. Then this is not in GNF. Okay. Now we will discuss the procedure how to convert the given grammar into GNF. How do you convert the given grammar into GNF? The procedure is simply, if you want to convert the grammar into GNF, first step is you have to eliminate the same thing, that is null productions and unit productions. Simply the grammar must be in CNF. First thing is convert the grammar into CNF. After eliminating null and unit productions, you have to convert into CNF. That is, to convert into GNF, the grammar must be in CNF. The grammar must be in CNF. Suppose if the grammar is not in CNF, then what to do? First to convert into CNF and then convert into GNF. Okay, that is step 1. Step 2. What is the next step? Next step is rename all the variables. Remember, the variables are symbols or non-terminals, all are meaning is same. Replace all the variable names as A1, A2, A3 and so on. A1, A2, A3 and so on. Generally, suppose if the production contains S, S is the starting symbol. Replace S as A1. Simply change the names. Nothing you do. Simply change the names of the variables. A1, A2, A3 like that. After replacing, you have some set of productions. For example, for each production, consider each production of the form, AI tends to AJ alpha. Suppose we are considering a production such that the production is of the form. That means we have to consider all these productions. Why means in GNF, the RHS begin with terminal. But here it is begin with a non-terminal. That is the reason we have to consider the productions that starts with a non-terminal. Okay. Once you consider the production, and you have to apply some rules. We have to apply some rules. What is the rules? This is I. Why? Because all are named with A1, A2, A3 and so on. This is I and this one is J. So we have 3 variations. The 3 variations are I is equal to J, or I greater than J, or I less than J. Suppose if J value is greater than I, do nothing. J value is greater than I, do nothing. That is, simply leave the step. Simply leave that production. Suppose if J is equal to I, then what to do? Apply left recursion. Apply left recursion means we have to eliminate. I will explain left recursion also. We have to eliminate the left recursion from this production, and what is the next case? The last case is automatically j is equal to I. In this case, you have to apply substitution technique. That means we have a set of productions. All the productions, we have to consider the productions whether j is equal to I, j less than or equal to I, not less than. Whether j is equal to I, j less than I, you have to consider these two types of productions and apply left recursion and substitution. After completion of that one, after completion of either step number this one 0.2 or 0.3, now you have to consider the production ai tends to aj alpha such that I is equal to, sorry, the first condition, this one, j greater than I. Okay. After completion of step 3, we are moving into step 4. In step 4, we are considering the remaining productions such that the condition is j greater than or equal to I. In this, what we are doing, we have to apply. Remember, in the first iteration, we do not want to apply j greater than I. First, we have to consider the productions j is equal to I, j less than I. After completion of all the productions, j is equal to I, j less than I, then we will move to the productions whose j value is greater than I. In this step, what we are doing? Simply apply substitution. When if aj is in GNF. That means if the production aj we are placing right side means compulsory. The left side also we have a production that starts with aj. If the production aj is in GNF, then what to do? That aj is replaced. That is apply substitution. Then automatically ai is also converted into CNF. AI is also converted into CNF. You got it? This is the procedure.